Let's take a look at the brand new MaraX Espresso machine from Lelit. This new machine has been released alongside the Lelit Bianca, which we also covered on this channel. An immediate standout feature is the Mara's compact size, despite its many impressive brewing features. At just 9 inches wide and 16 inches deep, Lelit should have made sacrifices in terms of performance, but after our team's vetting, there are very few. The MaraX uses a custom-made pump that has a long pressure ramp, starting with lower pressures and then increasing over time. This method of pre-infusion is more thorough than pre-wet that many machines have in this price range. You can set it to Brew X or Steam X mode to prioritize brewing or steaming. This lets you get better recovery and stability when brewing or get extra steam pressure. Brew X mode is great for pulling espresso shots at ideal temperatures without the need for cooling flushes. But don't expect powerful steam unless you switch the machine to the Steam X mode. Combined with three-way temperature switch that offers 197, 201, or 205 degree temps at the brew head, the MaraX provides exceptional temperature control, which is pretty uncommon. The MaraX's unique portafilter is designed for convenience. When you set the portafilter down, the basket will be level. Plus, the coffee slide spouts direct the flow of coffee toward the barista so you can see just how beautiful your shot truly is. Another great feature of the MaraX is the water sensor. It kicks on before the tank is all the way empty to alert you if you need to refill it. The machine's simplified temperature modes are great for new home baristas, but some advanced users may want more precise control offered by a machine with a digital PID. What do you think of the Lelit MaraX? Do you prefer it over the Bianca? Let us know below in the comments or visit us at scg.click/Lelit for more helpful information.